Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can find your DJI Mavic Pro. So thanks to the DJI Go 4 application, you can basically locate your drone. And how to do this? That's very simple. You have to click on these three lines in the right upper corner and then find my drone. Select this function, and if you have the notification that you have to enable permission to the location for this application, all you have to do is just to open the settings on your device, and you have to find the location services. So that's located right here in my case. So open it, turn on location, and then you can go to the location option and then find this application and enable basically the location permission for that application. And as you can see right now, you will be able to locate your drone where it's located. You can also turn on the picture preview from your drone. So when you click right here, you will see this screen of your drone. I'm gonna move it a little bit. Take a look. That's the real preview right now. So yeah, I think with this small preview it will be a little bit easier to navigate. Right here you can also change the map theme, so you can go for the satellite, hybrid, the standard one. You can also change the display location by tapping right here. And yeah, that's basically all for this video. Hope you like it.